Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming video short series. So let's just move forward here with the polymorphism concept in a better manner. So I have actually another method. That's why I have written out here polymorphism with coding example 2. So what I am going to do here, I'm going to create out two classes. One would be named as Google and one would be named as Facebook. We know that Google and Facebook both could be logged in within the IDs with the help of IDs, right? So let's just try to use the polymorphism. Okay, we would be creating out here a login method and two classes, Google and Facebook. So let's just try to create out first of all a Google class. Okay, and we know that okay, Google can log in, right? So let's just try to log in within Google. Okay, so yes, let's just edit it, and we are just going to perform out here. Let's say logged in Google. Okay, and else just going to create the another method, that is Facebook. Okay, it's going to have another login method which is following out the concept of simply polymorphism, right? So it is going to print out for me that simply log in Facebook. That's all. So for this I need to use out my for loop to iterate out throughout the two classes to just execute out my login method. I'm going to use out here method in the list, let's say Google, else we have the Facebook class, right? So within this I can just try to execute out my login class by the help of method. So let's just use the method dot login simply for login, and if I'll just try to execute it, we'll get the response. So this is how, okay, there's some syntax error, let's just check it out. So again trying to run it, we got the response, right? So by the help of for loop we were just traveled out through of the two classes Google and Facebook, and by the help of items, nothing but method, right, I have executed out my login method. So this is how you can just perform out polymorphism, okay, in Python. Just create out the classes, create out the methods, give the different tasks and try to execute it. Okay, I hope it's useful information for you. Thank you.